ReNuCare Power Ride, Joystick Control and Remote Pairing Guide. Part 1. Joystick Control. Here are all of the display names of the joystick. Please read the main user manual of the Power Ride for more information on each of the buttons. Here is a demonstration of the buttons in action.
Help, please. Help, please.
Part 2. Remote Pairing. To begin remote pairing, please lock the wheels into place. Turn off the Power Ride wheelchair through the joystick. Take out the remote from the side pouch of the Power Ride wheelchair. Here are the contents inside of the remote box. Please ensure that you have all of these parts. Read the instruction manual before pairing. Take out the remote from the remote box, then insert the batteries from the pouch into the remote. Press the power button of the joystick and turn it on. Press the power on button of the remote controller briefly. The light will flash green. Press the deceleration button on the joystick until the middle light of the grade is on. Press the horn button on the joystick to automatically match. Press the down arrow button until the power button of the remote controller does not flash and enter the matching state. When the joystick light is off, the matching is complete. Please test out the remote control to ensure that it works. You're all set to go. For any questions, please contact our email, phone, or website to get extra support. Independence, dignity, well-being. ReNuCare, rise and shine.